Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are safe. Myself Chaitali Arora from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota welcome you all in the new session. So kids, in the previous class you have already learnt about capital and small letter F, capital and small letter F. So today we will learn to trace and write capital and small letter G, capital and small letter G. So everyone take out your Grafalco. Okay, open page number 20. Parents are requested to mention date and classwork at the top. Now let's see some pictures related to capital and small letter G. So kids, tell me, what is this? This is a grapes. This is a grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. This is a girl. This is a girl. G for girl. G for girl. Now tell me, which picture is this? Yes, G for goat. G for goat. Now everyone, take out your pencil, hold it properly. Now first we will trace capital letter G. Okay. So look here everyone. We have to start from first line. Yes, draw one long curve. Touch second line. Touch third line. Up. Touch second line. Small sleeping line inside it. Come from same line. Then one standing line. Like this. Okay, one more time kids. Start from first line. Draw one long curve. Touch second line. Touch third line. Up. Touch second line. Small sleeping line inside it. Come from same line. Down and make small standing line. Capital letter G. Capital letter G. Now let's write on dot. So look here kids. Start from here. Touch first line. Draw one long curve. Like this. Touch second line. Small sleeping line inside it. Move from same line, down and make small standing line. Okay? One more time kids. Start from here. Make long curve like this. Touch second line. Small sleeping line inside it. Move from same line, down and make small standing line. Like this. Again, start from here, long curve, touch second line, small sleeping line inside it, come from same line, down and make small standing line. Okay, capital letter G, capital letter G. Again kids, start from here, one long curve, up, draw one small sleeping line inside it and move from same line, down and make one standing line. Okay, again kids, start from here. One long curve, up, touch this line, okay, small sleeping line, come from same line, then small standing line, like this. One more time kids, start from first line, like this, draw one long curve, up, small standing, small line, sleeping line inside it like this, Move from same line. Now small standing line like this. Capital letter G. Capital letter G. Now come to page number 21. Now we will trace small letter G. Now we will trace small letter G. So kids, you have to make small letter G like this. Okay? So kids, you have to start from here. Make small curve in between these two lines. Then one standing line from the first line. Touch these lines properly. Turn. Okay? One more time kids. Start from here. Small curve. Like this. Now join one standing line. Start from first line. Touch second line. Touch third line. And turn. Okay? Now let's write on dot. So kids, start from here. Small curve. One standing line. And turn. This is small letter G. Small letter G. Again start from here. Small curve. Like this. Standing line. Touch these lines properly. And last, you have to turn. Okay? Like this. Again kids. Small curve. One standing line. Touch these lines properly and turn. Okay kids? Write very neatly everyone. Start from here. Small curve. Like this. Then standing line. And turn. This is small letter G. G for goat. G for goat. One more time. Small curve. Like this. Then one standing line from first line. Touch second line. Touch third line and turn. One last time kids. Start from here. Small curve. Standing line. Touch these lines properly and turn. Okay, this is small letter G. Small letter G. So kids, now ma'am is showing you one object related to small and capital letter G. So kids, like this you have to complete pages 20 and 21 of your Graphalco book. Till then, take care. Bye-bye everyone.